There he is, Ian the cameraman, home just in time for this video. How's it going, buddy?
Pretty good, yeah. I just want to say I've gotten a lot of Instagram messages from people wondering where I was, and
yeah,
I've been taking a little trip with my dad and taking a little time off, and it's been good. But I feel a little bad for missing all this stuff. Like,
dude, you've missed actually quite a bit.
I saw you got banned from a mall. Like
I did,
like another one.
I did, yeah. Like, a big video actually. Actually, that reminds me, I just got the letter in the mail. Which apparently means it's official. I don't know how they got my address. But how do you think I've dealt with it so far? I haven't gone back. If I go back, apparently I'm arrested, which is great.
Yeah, I mean, so far I think you've dealt with it pretty well. Like, I've been surprised. You've actually been like pretty mature about it. I'm proud of you. Actually.
Thank you, man.
Like, really.
You mind if I borrow your phone real quick? Yeah, hi. I just recently got banned from your mall, which is like kind of a bad thing because I really need to go back. It's Christmas time. You know, you guys are the only ones, I can't remember what store, but they sell my mom's favorite perfume scent of "Your Mall Sucks." Thank you. All right, that feels a little better. I feel like that was handle it.
That was badass, man. that was epic.
Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. So as y'all know, a couple days ago, we made a video kind of similar to this where we went on the website called Wish and bought every single one of their free items that they sell on there. You know, you check out, you pay a couple extra bucks for shipping, you get it in the mail, and you sell it for more money. It's a no-brainer. Now, that video went so well, you guys really seemed to enjoy it, so I thought we'd do a part 2 to this, but spice it up a little bit. So I brought cameraman Ian, as y'all already saw, for this video, just because you guys have been requesting it so much. He just got back from his trip. So Ian, what are we doing today for this video?
We're picking up girls.
No, you know what the video is. Are you just trying to act cool, or what?
Well, yeah, a little, I guess.
Okay, no, that's fine. We'll do that in Vegas. Vegas comes in a week. We'll be there in a week from today. What are we actually doing?
We're unboxing stuff that shouldn't be sold on Wish.
Okay, so presentation was a little off there. We'll work on it. What we're doing, once again, is we're going on Wish. We're getting a bunch more free items, but all of these free items, we both decided probably shouldn't be sold on Wish. They're a little dangerous, which we dig. I think that's fun.
Yeah, I'm pretty down with the danger.
Sick. Awesome. That's how you get girls. Remember that.
Down with the danger? Okay.
So before we unbox this stuff is a little crazy. I do not promote buying any of this stuff, even though it's free. It's a no-brainer. Why wouldn't we buy it? But don't try this at home. Whatever we're going to do is a bunch of stuff that could potentially hurt you. And this is for unboxing purposes and prank purposes and social experiment purposes, which I think saves my ass in terms of doing a video like this if I just say all those things. Without further ado though, boys, let's get into all these unboxings. I'm so stoked to unbox some of this stuff. I literally can't believe they're allowed to ship this. But they did. I want to ask you guys once again though to destroy the thumbs up button down below. That you guys have absolutely been killing it. If we can get this video to 5,000 thumbs up, what should I do? You know what I'm gonna do for you, Ian? We're gonna purchase Ian a little something something. Take that how you will, if you know what I'm saying.
What?
Yeah, see, Ian's stoked. 5,000 thumbs up, please, boys. Y'all know we're going to Vegas. Anyway, let's go. And welcome to the unboxing table. So this is probably the dopest video we've had yet and probably the most pointless. If there's anything in here that we actually can give away, we'll do it, but probably chances are by the time of this video we shouldn't. You ready for this, bud?
Yeah, actually, if there's... I brought a couple of beers if you want to have a couple of beers we unbox.
A couple of beers? Yeah. Absolutely, go grab them. A couple beers for the boys, huh?
Yeah.
Let's go. Sick, Bud Light, eh?
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
That's dope.
Yeah. Cheers, boys.
Hey, there we go. Cheers, boys. Cameraman Ian, or Ian the cameraman. Actually, Ian the cameraman on Instagram. It's dope. We're of age, by the way. Everything that we're doing, you should not be doing. This is all for entertainment purposes. You need help?
Can't get it off.
Yeah, I got it. There you go, but they are twist off, by the way. Alright, boys, first package. Once again, all this stuff is free from Wish. This is awesome. You can have some stuff in here too if you want to, buddy. As y'all can see, it's this cool little light thing, and you just plug it into the wall, and it does like some electronic stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, why shouldn't that be sold?
Yeah, this probably shouldn't not be sold on Wish. I just thought it was sick, and I just kind of wanted it. I didn't know I was unboxing this in the video, but this is really dope. We should probably test it. So I saw like the picture of this. Once again, I just wanted this. Oh, does that show up on camera?
Yeah.
That is sick.
That's actually cool.
Oh!
What?
So it's like electrodes that just like go to your fingers. I don't know, I just think this is dope for like a room or something, you know what I mean? The rest of the stuff I swear shouldn't be sold on Wish, but this is just me having fun. Very dope, right?
That's pretty dope. I don't see how it fits into this video really, but...
Okay, you know what, Ian? Catch this. There, now it shouldn't be sold on Wish. Better?
Oh,
now it's a weapon. Now it's a
Okay, yeah,
weapon.
no, I see it now.
I never think of things. I'm gonna have to buy another one.
That's a bummer.
Maybe it's just don't challenge me anymore, you know?
Oh, I'm sorry, you're right. Yeah, I shouldn't have done that.
That's because I just don't think
this
before doing things. That
yeah,
sucks.
this one's on me. I'll buy you a new lamp, okay?
Next package. All right, let's go with the biggest one next. I kind of forget what I got with all this stuff. Oh,
You're aggressive. You're aggressive with that.
I know, man. The girls like it when you punch things hard. This, I can tell, is probably gonna be sick because if you got a package this big for free, I feel like it's like gonna be good quality
big,
for
big
sure.
is better, right?
Big is better. Yeah. Oh, okay. So this one is a bulletproof vest.
What? No.
Yeah.
No way.
This is where the real disclaimer
Like
comes
an
in.
actual bulletproof vest.
Well, yeah, it's free.
No,
it's got to be real. Yeah, this is where the real disclaimer comes in. Clearly, it's not gonna work. You know what I mean? So don't go buying this and testing it, but we should test it in some way for sure. Oh my god, dude! Hold on, put your face here.
Oh, hey.
It was pretty close, eh? It was pretty close, but it didn't hurt you. That's how you test it. So it definitely saved you a little bit. Do not promote this piece, that's for sure. Check this out, boys. You know, it's not that noticeable on my body. You want to give it like a punch test or something real quick?
Just
Punch me. Just hit me hard. Just hit me hard. Let's go.
Okay. Ow, my
Yeah,
hand.
you and not me. Sick. Oh, take the stun gun. Test with the stun gun.
The stun gun.
Yeah.
Okay, you
Don't
sure?
try this at home, boys.
Sure
Let's
about
go.
this, man?
Let's go. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Ah! Oh! Ian, missed!
Oh, I missed?
Yeah, you missed.
Shit, I'm sorry.
Dude, that might have hit a ball.
Oh god, I'm so sorry, man.
Yeah, there's a little bit of damage, but it's still fine. Awesome.
Okay, here.
Next package, please.
I didn't get your balls red.
No, yeah, well you did, but it's fine. So, this one right here, I think, yes. Check that out.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I got a free knife. You can cut a lot of stuff with that, you know what I mean?
That?
A lot of this stuff is very usable.
Yeah, something like that. Whoa.
You wanna go do your karate in the kitchen? Yeah, Jesus. Yeah!
Okay, that's... Wow, you are a savage.
That was a good purchase. Alright, boys, we got the last package here once again. All free. Oh my god.
A gun?
Boys, is that a gun?
Oh.
Is that a gun?
I don't know about this, man.
So it's not real. I think this is one of those airsoft guns or something. Does it come with pellets or anything? Yes, it does. Can you even buy airsoft guns online without like having, I'm not sure, without like not being 18?
I don't know.
Dude, I think this one's CO2 actually. I used to like airsoft gun fight all the time. We got these. We should load her up and try her out. We got a bulletproof vest, baby. Alright, so I told my network we were about to do this video. Apparently I shouldn't be using this, or it might be a risk. So we're not using this. That's it for the video, I guess. What'd you think about that?
Pretty intense, honestly.
It was pretty sick. I just wanted to do something not boring for once and do what I like to do. And what I like to do is buy a bunch of dumb stuff and destroy it. So that's what we did, as y'all see. Let me know down below if you want any more videos like this, because like, I can do the jewelry stuff, I can do the sneakers stuff, I can do all this other stuff, but what I really want to do is just do some stupid crap and hopefully not get kicked off YouTube. So that's the video for today. Hope you boys appreciated it. Once again, Ian and I are going to Vegas a week from tomorrow, which is going to be insane. I got a tattoo planned, which I'm going to...
tattoo?
Dude, yeah, I'm getting a tattoo. It's going to be a little wild. I got a couple things planned for you. We got wild videos coming out. Y'all are marking the game the greatest of all time, but once again, if you watch this portion of the video, let me know down below if you dig it, because there's so many things that we can do that is just out of the box, but also entertaining, which also involves destroying things, which is my favorite thing in the world, as you know. Appreciate y'all marking the game. Do you want to say anything else?
What are your plans for me? You said
It doesn't
you had
matter.
plans?
No, we'll see if we get 5,000 thumbs up. Blow.